Hello guys, Moran here, and leo tumeva reflected juu tuko kwa mjengo, and we're about to talk about an application that is seriously willing to pay you to just post on social media. Wowzi is the application that I'm talking about, and this application connects advertisers to people who post on social media, or influencers, nano, micro and macro influencers as well. And I've been using it to make a lot of money. So these are the steps that you need to follow. Go to your App Store or Play Store, download the application Wowzi, install, register, go to the social medias and connect your social medias to this application. Once you register, Wowzi is going to give you a rate card for your postings. This means that if you posted on, for example, if I post on TikTok, I'm paid 700 and about 50 Kenya shillings, although I've never been paid to post on TikTok. Once you've connected your social media, once you get your rate card, go ahead and wait to be given a notification on work. So once they give you a job to do, they'll give you instructions and even the content to post. Once you post, copy the link to that post that you've done and put it under the job that you've done. That way they will approve it. If they don't approve it, they will notify you that your post has not been approved and give you a chance to post again. Once the approval has been done, you will just wait for about 7 days or less than 7 days for your funds to come into your M-Pesa. For clear information, just go to Wowzi's YouTube page, and there's a 6-minute video to guide you on how to register and how to use Wowzi. Thank you so much guys for watching. Go and make money through Wowzi.